What's up, boyos? So if you've watched this channel for a little bit, you've known that I like to say some bad words, okay? I like to fucking use a lot of shitty ass swear words in my videos because I ain't no bitch. But it turns out, guys, I might be 1% bitch, okay? 1% bitch, because apparently YouTube, they don't like it if you swear, okay? They're just like, YouTube becomes Oppenheimer. They basically just nuke your entire goddamn video if you say like one bad thing, okay? Listen, okay? Every time I drop an F-bomb, I literally become Eminem, okay? I am Eminem. I feel like I grew up in the hood, okay? Instead of my goddamn white suburb. I got swag, okay? I got swag. Now listen, I can already hear the response, okay? People are gonna be saying, okay, bro, just stop crying and start editing, okay? Just like do 3 cuts, replace the swear word with another sound, and then you're good, okay? But listen, guys, okay, listen. If I do that to every single swear word in my video, I'm literally gonna get arthritis. Okay, well, is it over then? Okay, is there nothing we can do? Okay, listen, you saw the title of this video. You know what we're doing already. Do I even need to say it? I am gonna say it. We're gonna be trying to automate this shit, okay? Robots, AI, they're taking over the world. Might as well embrace it, okay? Now listen, at first glance, this sounds impossible, right? How the hell are we gonna automate editing a video, okay? Like cutting an audio and replacing it with another audio. How the fuck are we gonna do that? The answer is simple, okay? You guys are just regarded. FFmpeg, okay? This is a program where you can put in a command line, put the video in, and then output the new video. Okay, look, if I type this in, look at how many options we can do, okay? We can do so much shit. We open the video, we get the audio, we replace the audio, we make the new video. It's simple, okay? It's a very simple idea, very simple concept. Okay, so for this to work, we got 3 words here, okay? Shut fuck up. So each word has a start and end time, okay? Obviously, this will be in like the point seconds. This goes from 0 to 1. This goes from like 1 to 2. I need to get the exact time for the word I want to bleep, and then I need to send it to FFmpeg. And then, yeah, we need the time. We need the time. We got to get the time. Okay, one way we can get the time it takes to say each word is by looking at this project called Whisper Timestamp. Basically, it uses Whisper, which is OpenAI's like word SRT transcription. But if you were to just use Whisper on its own, it wouldn't be able to like actually tell you like the time it takes to say each word. It would probably give you like a time for the sentence maybe, but like not each word. So this is what the project we're going to use for each word. All right, y'all. So I got a quick file here that we're going to use for testing. My fellow Americans, this is President Obama speaking. I have an important message coming straight in from the White House. Don't be a little fucking bitch. Beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna use this to test. First thing we need to do is actually get the audio file out from that. So I asked ChatGPT here. Okay, well that didn't work. Oh, okay. So this should be the audio. My fellow Americans, this is... Yo, let's go. Okay, it worked. All right, boys, so I think I got everything set up here. Let's take a look at this shell script I wrote. So we're using this Whisper timestamp thing. That's this thing, the GitHub project. So we're using that. We're saying, hey, we take the video, make an audio file. We take that audio file, we put it into the model, and we use these parameters to make it good. So let's see if we get some swag here. Let's try and run this. And boom, look at that, guys. We have like every single type of like subtitle file here. So if we just like open one, so this is going to in the words, it timestamps each word beautifully. Okay, that's what we want. That's what we want to see. So all I got to do now is just parse this thing. I got to write a script that, you know, basically takes the time. Whenever we see a naughty word here, it'll take that time, and we got to pipe that over to FFmpeg. And with that, guys, I think we can do it. Okay, I think we can do it. Imagine actually learning how to program in the year of our Lord 2023. So we can just go over here, just copy this shit. I don't even need to understand how it works, okay? And I can just make this. Okay, guys, I lied. I did have to modify the script a little bit, but let's see it. Let's test it out. Yo, it actually worked, guys. Oh my god. Okay, so with a little bit of tinkering, we have this so far. It only gets rid of the last bad word. Don't be a little fucking okay. Oh, thank you. There you go. It got rid of bitch. But that's not good enough for me, okay? I want to replace all the bad words, not just one of them. And also, I want to replace the bad word with like a censor sound effect. So like this one. So I want to replace it with that. All right, boys, I ain't even gonna lie. I just kind of went sicko mode here, just fixed all the bugs. Every single bug is fixed now. So if we go over here, run this boy, okay, you can see what's happening. We got 3 files here, okay? So if we open this one, basically it's gonna cut out like all the swears in these 3 files, and then it'll like merge them together. So let's check out this one. My fellow American, don't be a little... Okay, so it cut out right before I said the word fucking. So this one is... Okay, you'll notice that one's a bit short, but it's like right before I say bitch. Okay, so it's in between fucking bitch. And then this one. Okay, thank you. That was the audio after. And if we look at the final result, don't be a little okay. Oh my god. It actually worked. But wait just a darn minute, guys. You'll notice that sounds a little bit unnatural, okay? Let's listen to this again. Be a little okay? It's just too fast. It's just too fast. So I'm thinking maybe I can figure out a way to like slow it down, to like extend it to like the length of like the word, you know, like stretch it out. Yo, I've been having some major audio video sync issues, so we're just gonna pimp this out real quick. So I made a script here, compare lengths. This line literally just extracts the audio from the video. It's not doing anything fancy. It's just getting the audio, okay? And then these two lines like print the durations. All right, let's see it. Okay, so this is from the original file. The audio is 9.13 seconds, okay? And then if we look at the extracted audio file, it's 9.22 seconds. Where did that 0.1 second come from, bro? Holy shit, I just spent 2 days trying to goddamn figure out how to fucking make the audio not go out of sync. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do a big retrospective, okay? A big analysis. So I got this run.sh script. This is gonna be what does everything. So as the input, we've got my last video here. So I swear a lot in this video. This is where I was installing this. So we're gonna use that as the input. So the first line is gonna extract out the audio, and it gives us this input audio file. Next, we use whisper timestamped to get those goddamn timestamps, and we delete all the cringe files we don't need. And this is the step that actually takes the longest. I think it might actually even take longer because I'm recording, but this motherfucker just eats all of my VRAM. Okay, look at this shit, okay? It's literally using all of it. All right, there we go. Damn, that took like 10 minutes. So that's gonna give us the word stamps.csv. And that gives us every single word spoken down to the 0.00 second, guys. Wow, AI stuff is kind of good. For me, at least. Not for the fucking draw cells, okay? Artists are kind of, But yeah, we got this wordstamps.csv file. What the fuck are we gonna do with it? It's just... Well, that's where the bleeper comes in. So this file, it's got a list of swear words we want, and so it's gonna look through this file for the swear words. It is then going to cut them up into segments, and then it will automatically use the stretch. It'll like stretch it. So basically this like slows down or like speeds up the bleep sound based on like how like long I say it. So like if I say like fuck, like it's gonna be like a really, really short bleep. And so we're just gonna let her cook. All right, there we go. It literally just happened to be 69 files. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. But like, yeah, if we listen, that was a fast one. That was a slow one. All of these files are gonna have like different durations. But you'll notice that even after the sound effect plays, we've still got like 10 seconds left in the audio. What's up with that? And the reason is because I'm actually intentionally adding 10 seconds of silence, okay? Because this motherfucker, every time I slow down the goddamn audio, it's not exactly to the duration. It's like 0.0000, like 2 like millisecond, microseconds off or whatever. I don't know why. So that's why we need the concatter.py file, boys. Basically, we're using a thing called MoviePy, which honestly, I should have just used this from the start, but it basically lets you edit videos using Python. And yeah, it turns out this is way more accurate than trying to like stitch together some goddamn Frankenstein FFmpeg command. Okay, so the bleeper, the first one, the bleeper one, makes us the bleep stamps, okay? So this is going through every segment in the audio, and it's saying, hey, bleep this part, don't bleep this. And so we basically read that, and then we stitch all the audio files back together. And also I found the magic number, okay, to make it not go out of sync and just fuck everything. Basically, we have to use this the audio duration, but we have to subtract it by literally 2/1000ths of a fucking second, okay, to get that bitch to sync. Like, the reason I need this here, like, so let's say I delete this, okay. Now, every time I say a swear word, the audio is gonna get delayed by like this many seconds. So like, the more swear words I say in the video, the more fucked and out of sync it's going to be by the end. So yeah, let's put that back. All right, let's run that part now. Okay, one thing I really like about MoviePy, it puts the audio first, okay? It makes sure the audio goes into a video file first, and then boom, we got the MP4, which is basically an MP3. Like, my was literally inside of... Oh, okay, bleep, that's a bleep. Let's just read this shit for a second, okay? Before upgrading use... Yeah, it's good, it's good. Holy heck. This is going to save me so much time. So when you do an edit normally, okay, you have to make 2 cuts, like precisely around the swear point, okay? Then you have to click the swear point, you have to delete the audio, drag in the bleep clip. That's like goddamn 10 steps, okay, in one bleep. And we just automated all of it, guys. Listen, I showed the code in the video, okay? If you want this shit for yourself, fucking pause the video and do some work, okay? What do you think, this is a charity? Subscribe.